There is no bag. Please look. Hey guys. So, hold on. Hey, good. We've been doing good. Everybody all right? Yes, ma'am. Okay, so, hey y'all. There's so many people. Excuse me. That's okay. Okay, so I'm going to go get some chicken. I'm gonna bake some chicken for y'all. It's so funny because every store around town is out of water because it's supposed to be a hurricane coming tomorrow. And so all the water is gone. I have to go to 3 different stores to get some water, and everything is like in a parking lot is full. I can't even get out the damn parking lot. Look at this, like everything wrong. I just need some skinless chicken thighs. Oh, $5.80. It's so cute. So I seen a kitty today. So I need to get some milk. We have cereal, but yeah, it's crazy. Supposed to be a hurricane coming tomorrow. All the stores are out of water. The stores is packed. It's ridiculous. I need to get some milk. Excuse me. Yes, ma'am. I need to get some milk. The kid can only drink the 2% milk, which is over here. Like, there's a lot of people in here, you guys. I'm gonna get in trouble. So, I was gonna get some cabbage. I think about some cabbage now and get cabbage. Because I really do have a taste for some cabbage. Some of the baked chicken, some sauteed cabbage, macaroni sauce, etc. But, oh my God, everything is like crazy. Is this green cabbage? I need to put this down really quick. Let me come back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I'm so sleepy. So, last time I was on here, I was telling you guys about this hurricane coming. So yeah, it's a hurricane is coming. They said that, can you calm down? They said that this hurricane is supposed to hit really hard. They said that they haven't seen a hurricane like this since 2005. So all the gas stations are full, all the grocery stores are out of water. They having to send, like I read on the news, they're having to send trucks to Dallas to, you know, to bring like water and bread and batteries, because no stores have that. So yeah, and all the gas stations are full. People are trying to evacuate. I'm not evacuating because where am I going to evacuate to? All my family stays in Louisiana, so that probably will be even worse because they're surrounded by water. And no, how does she have a dress like that? Lady got her. Okay, anyway. So yeah, so I had to go to, I went to 3 different stores and they didn't have no water at all. So the last store I went to Randall's. I think I told you guys that. But I went to Randall's and I called them first. I was like, hey, I just want to know if you guys have any water. I've been in so many different stores. Sorry guys, I'm tired. Like, I've been in so many different stores. She was like, yeah, we got 100 cases of water. I said, I'll be there in 5 minutes. So I went there. I got 7 cases of water, you guys. They said that we need to have enough water at least for 3 days, you know, water and food and everything like that. So, and we also have an electric stove. No, we have a gas stove, you know, with the pilot or whatever. So we have that, and actually I'm gonna, yeah. So, and we have a generator. So I hope that, you know, we'd be okay. When I get back to the house, well, if David needed to come here to, let me show you guys what he said. Stop pulling my hair, girl. What's wrong with you? No, don't try to do nothing to my hair.
Why?
I don't know if you guys can see it, but he's at GameStop pre-ordering Call of Duty or whatever. And I'm gonna cook some baked chicken. I'm gonna saute some cabbage. I'm gonna saute some cabbage, and I'm gonna do some macaroni. Macaroni and cheese. So I'm gonna do that. Yeah. So I'm just gonna do that so we can have something that we can warm and everything. So I mean, right now it looks like this outside. I don't even know if you guys can see. It looks clear outside, so I don't know exactly across the street.
Be careful, Dada.
This damn girl is just backing out. She's just backing straight out.
Hey, move your purse. Don't lock the door.
How about, why do I have the doors unlocked, both the windows down? She's just backing her butt straight back.
I'm going to get some gas. Racetrack food? Hey, what side of that you on mine?
My side.
Huh?
My
She
side.
said we be on that gang shit. She said she like how I be swaggin'.
You the one right there behind that black one. No, you.
She said you the one I wanna get that cash with. Yeah. She said that we be on that gang.
Look right there. Look, they about to have a red.
Nah, he trying to go straight.
I'm talking about right here. He backing out. She looking this way. Look. Look how close he is to that car.
Bitch, hurry up! Fuck taking you so long?
Are we mad or no?
Shit!
Xavier about to run out of gas at the gas station. Y'all, it's packed. The gas station is packed. I'm gonna show y'all that.
Is she turning? Because I'm about to go around her ass.
Watch this whore. She just gonna zoom her fat stuff right there.
Bitch, I'm trying to get some gas.
I'm about to get some ice. Why is everybody going in front of you?
They trying to turn it now. I can't go nowhere with this.
Oh, it smells. What is she doing? The same look. Where's she going? She's gonna snatch that thing off her head. All the way down there. I'm about to go back in the house. This wind is like blowing my arm. But like all the way down there is flooded too. It's like it's about to start like raining hard, but all of it. This is the only part of the whole street that's still through the sidewalk. It didn't knock the trash can. My car and the water is up to my tire. You can't even see it down there. This whole, you can't even see the street, the driveway. The water came up in the driveway. I don't know when I will be able to even get out. See, all the way down there. All the way down there. Look at the water here. All the way down there. Somebody walking? You walking in the water? Okay. I don't think that's wise, but it's packed. That water down there is to his knees. But it's super high. I didn't think it would get this high. I haven't seen it this high in a long time.